how to show item durability in Minecraft. So when you click on E and hover to your item or tool, it will show no durability or any numbers or stats that shows its durability. So it's just this line that we have right here. So if you want to show it, you just simply need to click on F3 on your keyboard. So check if F3 is working first. So if it's not working, so mine is working. So if it's not working, maybe you will need another key to do it. So other keyboards will require F3 or Fn, then F3 to open up or use the F3 function. And once that's done, once you've opened it, you will now combine F3 with H. So open up F3, then click on H. And as you can see, it will show right there that advanced tooltips is now shown. When we go back to our inventory or to the items right here, and when we hover to our tool, as you can see, it will show the durability count. So it's 1,543 blocks out of 1,561. That's how I basically show the durability of tools in Minecraft.